Trust is one of the most pressing environmental issues in Indonesia. The current trust situation in Indonesia remains alarming. Indonesia generates 24.47 million tons of trash per year. Major cities like Jakarta, Surabaya, and Bandung are the biggest trash producers. Despite some progress, trash management in Indonesia is still far from ideal. A joint effort from the government, the public, and the private sector is needed to address this issue.
Lack of public awareness causes a lot of garbage to be thrown carelessly into the river, polluting the water, damaging the ecosystem, and disturbing the lives of living things. The accumulation of waste can also cause flooding during the rain season. Education and decisive action are needed to raise awareness of keeping rivers clean.
In Indonesia, regulation of littering are managed in Law Number 18 of 2008 on waste management. It states, every individual is required to manage waste properly and is prohibited from littering, and the penalty for it is anyone who conducts waste management without the proper permit issued by an authorized official can be sentenced to a maximum imprisonment of 3 years or a maximum fine 100 million rupiah. These regulations were made by the government to make sure people are not littering.
Protecting the environment is everyone's responsibility. Indifference to environmental sustainability, such as littering, can disrupt the balance of nature. Clean water sources are reduced by ecosystem damage is caused by waste and lack of human awareness. Therefore, littering will have a negative impact on the sustainability of nature.
The earth is our home, and we want it to be there for us. The earth doesn't demand anything from us. We demand it. It just wants to be nurtured and keep clean for us to enjoy. Take care of the earth today for a better life tomorrow. It's never too late. Start now.
Kesadaran masyarakat untuk membuang sampah pada tempatnya itu sangat rendah, tetapi juga karena saya kira tidak ada solusi yang diberikan ya baik oleh pemerintah atau pihak manapun juga untuk sampah-sampah tersebut. Yang ada ya orang sudah mulai coba untuk sampah organik mereka buat maggot ya atau pupuk, tetapi itu juga kan lebih banyak ke uji coba. Jadi bukan menjadi satu kegiatan rutin yang bisa mendatangkan uang, tapi ya sekedar ya biasa mereka campur semua kalau mereka buang organik, non-organik, plastik semua dicampur jadi satu, dan itu menjadi sangat sulit untuk dipisahkan. Di zaman dulu orang punya rumah luas, ada halaman yang mereka bisa gali lubang dan buang sampah di dalam. Sekarang kan hampir tidak ada. Jadi paling aman dan tidak diprotes oleh orang adalah membuang di sungai dan laut. Laut juga lebih banyak karena dari sungai. Jadi orang di hulu mereka buang semua sepanjang sungai, kampung-kampung sepanjang sungai buang di situ dan bermuaranya di laut. Ya, hampir setiap kegiatan kami itu selalu kami libatkan mahasiswa. Ya, hampir setiap kegiatan. Jadi kami hampir setiap bulan ada event pengumpulan sampah. Entah itu di Jogja ataupun di Demak dan Jepara, itu selalu kami lakukan. Dan yang selalu kami libatkan adalah kaum muda, mahasiswa. Dan ya himbauan saya paling tidak, saya berharap bahwa kaum muda lebih sadar akan lingkungannya, ya. Jangan membuang sampah sembarangan. Dan kalau mau terlibatlah bersama kami pada event-event itu. Kami akan sangat senang kalau semakin banyak orang yang mau terlibat dalam kegiatan pengumpulan sampah.
The possible solution you can do is to realize that river is ours and we have to make sure it's clean.
Another solution that I offer to reduce the garbage in the river is providing the rubbish in the strategy or the commonplace. By providing the rubbish, it helps us to access it, to throw or put it into the rubbish. Therefore, we also must to build our awareness to put our trust in the rubbish. Lastly, message for me, protecting environment is not just a dream, but an action. Thank you.
Rivers is one the environment that we must protect. But the situation on this time, many people don't care about current rivers situation. Look at this plastic cup. Instead of using the plastic cup that become leader and polluter the rivers, it's better to use your own bottle, which is more environmentally friendly. So let us together to keep our river clean.
Let me tell you how to take out the garbage properly. Do not combine different types of garbage into one, like plastic, paper, or organic garbage. Try to separate them into different bins, like plastic in here and paper in here. So the unmixed garbage can be recycled to be a better items. Thank you.
Sometimes we don't realize, many times we forget to put our trash marks. That is why our environment is lot of trash. So I suggest you, when you have used something, do not throw it away. You must to find garbage bin and put it in. Even though there is no garbage bin near you, keep your trash with you until you find its place. With this way, you help to prevent dirty environment. Now, I just want to say to all of you, let's take care of our environment today for better life tomorrow. Thank you.